I think the shotgun, if you can afford a 416,
Sennheiser.
that's kind of the best, like, one mic for every scenario shotgun that there is. So if you can go for a 416, there are also cheaper options. Audio-Technica makes some that don't sound as good and aren't necessarily as robust, but those will work.
That 416 is impossible to break.
Yeah, you can't break them.
So 416 is great. It's quite long.
It is quite long. I think if you're in a similar budget, you can get shorter mics. So like there is the Sanken CS1, which I don't personally have experience with, but I know people are running them on cameras. A similar form factor to that would be the Sennheiser 8060, but you are getting into the like 1,000+ territory on that.
And then, you know, maybe a little more affordable even than that would be, we were talking about Rode NTG3s maybe.
Yeah, that probably puts you in like closer to $500 maybe if you're playing used, and then brand new like 700. So like an NTG3 would be great.